Hi there! So you have the MeTV 4K but are disappointed that you can't play Netflix and Amazon Prime videos at 4K. Though these are Android TVs, none of these apps are currently supported. So your best solution is Amazon 4K Fire Stick. It's currently selling on Amazon for $5,999. So is it worth spending that much for 4K? Well, let's find out. In this video, we're going to play 4K videos from Netflix and Amazon Prime from the Fire Stick and compare those same videos on the side-loaded versions from Netflix and Amazon Prime on your MeTV. And of course, the Fire Stick interface will be an experience in itself. You don't want to miss this one. Continue watching this video. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. So for those who don't know what's a Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick is a streaming device that plugs into your TV's HDMI port, giving you access to TV shows, movies, subscription services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Videos, Hotstar and many more. So here is the Fire Stick interface, which undoubtedly is snappy and a joy to browse. So let's play a 4K Ultra HD video on Amazon Prime and compare the same with the Full HD version which is side-loaded on your MeTV. So here are the same videos playing side by side, and I have to agree, there is far more detail and the videos definitely look crisper with 4K. The colors are more vibrant, but that was kind of expected, and the video is definitely impressive. Let's play another video and see. So the 4K video looks quite good. Trust me, the camera is not able to capture the difference, but the 4K video is a treat to the eyes. Let's see some Netflix videos. Well, to tell you the truth, it's a day and night difference in 4K and Full HD. But I doubt the camera can capture the difference. The side-loaded Netflix app plays at 720p top, not even 1080p. Let's compare another video. I'm hoping you can see the difference in detail in the 4K video. Netflix is where the Fire Stick absolutely shines, even when comparing the app interface. Let's quickly have a look at the app's interface. Here's the Amazon Prime Video app side-loaded on the MeTV, and it has that Android TV kind of interface. It works decently smooth. The only difference is there is no 4K content on this app. Apart from that, it works great. Here's the Amazon Prime Video app on the Fire Stick, and as you can see, the transitions are far more smoother, it's snappier, and of course, it also has access to 4K files, which is great, which is not available on the side-loaded version of the Amazon Prime videos. This is a side-loaded version of the Netflix app on the MeTV, and as you can see, this is sort of like a mobile version of the app on your smart TV. There are many drawbacks. You cannot choose your subtitles, you cannot change your audio, you can't search for content, and absolutely no access to 4K videos on this version. And finally, the official Netflix app for your smart TV. And trust me, the difference between the previous and this is day and night, especially the features. Now you can access subtitles, change the audio, and the biggest one, accessing 4K files and playing them without any hassles on this app. and trust me, it looks great. The user experience is flawless.
So should you buy the 4K Fire Stick? Well, firstly, the 4K movie collection on Netflix and Amazon Prime is extremely limited. Even the most popular titles aren't available in 4K. They're still in full HD. So what's in 4K? Amazon Prime originals, Netflix originals, TV shows, TV serials, lots of other things, and they have a huge collection in that. But if you're looking for movies, barely any right now. So how's the user experience? Well, the user experience on the Fire Stick is excellent. Both Netflix and Amazon Prime work like a breeze. Of course, they're primarily designed to work on the Fire Stick because they're officially supported. But when it comes to Netflix, comparing that to the side-loaded app on the MeTV, barely goes up to 720p, whereas this works at 4K. Seeing them side to side, you will really not realize the difference when you camera record it, but in reality, the difference is day and night. It's really good. Also, on the side-loaded Netflix app, you cannot enable subtitles, you cannot change the audio, you can't even search, and the user experience of the app is extremely poor. Coming to Amazon Prime still works good even on the side-loaded app because it's almost giving you the same features that the Fire Stick is giving you, which is great. So you can enable subtitles on both, audio, but even the video quality on both is quite close. In fact, yes, that works at 4K UHD, while the side-loaded one is only at 1080p, but they're actually quite close. This is where the difference is less. But coming to the first generation MeTV is the MeTV 4, which is still running patchwall and doesn't have Netflix or Amazon Prime support. In that, you can still sideload the Netflix app, whereas on the Amazon Prime app, you can still work in. So for all those people right now, I would say go for the Fire Stick. Yes, I know the app support is expected, but if you want to wait, great, because we know Amazon Prime support has been promised, but it's been a while since we are waiting. So Amazon Fire Stick will make sure you get official app support, and the experience of the official app support is going to be unmatchable. Also, if you want to save some money, you can get the full HD Fire Stick, which is selling for $3,999. I'll leave the link of the 4K as well as this. Do check them out. So I highly recommend you get the Fire Stick if you want to enjoy Netflix and Amazon Prime with its full features. Absolutely recommended. I agree there is a small price you need to pay, but eventually it's about the experience, the user experience, the video quality. It's absolutely worth it. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. If there are any questions about the Fire Stick, do mention them down. Also, if you want me to make a review video of the 4K Fire Stick, do write that down. I'll make that one as well. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications when new videos are uploaded. Until next time, cheers.